Okay, we are going to see some example for the rank of your matrix. So first example, so they given given matrix is a 3 by 3 square matrix. From this we are going to find out the solution. Listen here, so here you are having a row echelon form. So how to reduce it to by a row echelon form? So row echelon form, know about the row echelon form is nothing but the below triangular matrix you will get all the elements are 0. So here, so we go for the solution. First with the given thing, always you should be take the given matrix as a, okay, 1, 2, 3, sum of the alphabet, that is your wish. So but we will always take with the alphabet A, okay. So this is your matrix. So you know already we will use the equivalent matrix, means by some symbols, or else you can use the implied symbol. So I am going to change this one. So by this changes going to be occur with the echelon form. I want to be changed, these 3 elements should be 0 by the rule of row echelon form. So first I am taking a first element should not be changed, it should be placed there itself. So I am going to change these 2 elements. So you are familiar with this topic, so that's why I am going to both the 2 steps in this same matrix. So I will take the R2. So I want to change the R2 and also R3. How can I change the R2 and R3 means? So the first thing I want to be changed the R2 means here I want to be changed as a 0. So I am writing a R2. So see that our first element is always should be with the number 1. If it 1 only, we can easily convenient to do the remaining solvation. So I am taking a first entry. So the first entry is the given in element itself 1. So there is no problem to change. So we are going to change this one by R2 minus 2 times of R1. And R3 also going to be right as a, so minus 3 times of R1. Okay, so just I will show it what are the elements. So R2 is there, so this is 2, 1, 4. So what is your 2 into R1 means this is 2 multiplied by this one means 2, 2 2s are here 4 and here 6. Okay, you are going to subtract this one means these 2 things will be eliminate 0. So 1 minus 4 is minus 3, 4 minus 6 is minus 2. So therefore the second row becomes 0 minus 3 minus 2. So and what is your R3? So R3 is R3 minus 3R1. So I am writing R3 values. What are the R3 values? So 3, 0, 5. So multiply the R1 by 3 means 3 ones are 3, here 6 and 3 3s are 9. So I am subtracting this one means what I am getting, this one is, so I am writing, so this is a R2, this is 2 times of R1, this is R3 and this is 3 times of R3. So here 0, 0 minus 6 minus 6, 5 minus 9 minus 4. So I am rewrite this 0 minus 6 minus 4. Now we get the elements of the second row first entry and third row first entry, both the things are 0. So our aim is to make this element is also be 0. So we are going to proceed with the next step. So what are the first 2 steps? You have to be stay back with the same elements. So 0, minus 3 and minus 2. So look here. So we are going to change the third row. So for the third row, we have to take only the second row itself. Since if you go for the first row means the element again it will appear. So to avoid that we will choose the second row. So for the second row what they given? So we are going to change the R3. So I want to be changed R3. So R3 is here minus 6, here 3. So 2 times if you multiply the R2 means you will get 6. So I am multiplying the R3 minus 2 times of R2.